Fancy dress competition on sea, aquatic animals, octopus and fish. Fancy dress competition on sea, aquatic animal, octopus.
Good morning. Today is a fancy dress competition on sea animals. Sea animals are animals who live in the sea like fish, dolphin, octopus, etc. And I am dressed up as an octopus. Hello friends, I am an octopus, a sea animal. I have a bulbous head, large eyes, and 8 arms. I don't have any bone in my body. I have many nerves and suckers in my arms from which I grab and taste food. I mainly eat crabs and crayfish. I'm a very poisonous, dangerous, and an intelligent animal. Thank you.
Fancy dress competition on sea or aquatic animal, fish.
Good morning. Today is a fancy dress competition on sea animals, and I am dressed up as a fish. Hello, friends. I am a fish. Do you know I have been on the earth for over 500 million years? I can live only in the water. I have a backbone and I breathe through gills and have fins and scales. I have excellent senses of sight, touch, taste, and a good sense of smell and hearing. There are 25,000 known species of me. I am cold blooded, which means my internal body temperature changes as the surrounding temperature changes. I eat other fishes, fish eggs, aquatic plants, insects, water birds, turtles, frogs, snakes, and mice. I am a little fish. I like to swim. You can't catch me because I have fins. Thank you.